Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable the noise cancellation on HyperX Cloud 3 in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to understand this thing that HyperX Cloud 3 does not have true hardware noise cancellation, but you can reduce the background noise using the system and the software settings. For that, first of all, you need to open your HyperX and Genvity software on your device. Afterwards, you just have to wait for some time until your headset is shown over here. Now, when it does, you are going to see the microphone settings just like so. So simply turn the toggle button on right next to it so that this type of slider could be shown. So you need to enable any of the noise suspension or mic enhancement options available. Afterwards, simply press Windows plus I on your keyboard in order to open the settings of your system. Over here, click on the option of system, then click on the option of sound. Now here, when you scroll down a bit inside the input section, you need to select your headset, and here you will also see this type of slider in which make sure that the volume is up, the lower the mic input slightly to avoid the pickup background noise. Now you can scroll down a bit more, then click on the option of more sound settings. When this pop-up appears in front of you, select the recording tab, then select your headset, then click on the option of properties. Over here, select the option of listen tab and make sure that listen to this device is turned off. This prevents the feedback and extra noise as well. So that's how you can basically do it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.